Are you feeling stressed, overwhelmed? Are you feeling anxious? Are you feeling helpless, hopeless? Are you having communication issues with your partner? Are you having behavioral issues with your children? Have you experienced infidelity? If you have experienced any of these things, guess what? My name is Etoshia Jones, and I will be completing my marriage and family therapy internship at Ascension Counseling. What that means is that I will be available to assist you with those needs. Now, I understand that at times it's overwhelming and you kind of don't want to open up. It's kind of a cliche thing, but I promise you, take me, I'm telling you. Personally, I have been in therapy and it has been extremely beneficial for me. It's helped transform my thoughts. It's helped me think more positively, and I will be willing and love to help you do the same. So if you are ready to make that change, if you are willing, book with me at Ascension Counseling.